Yo, guys, what's good? All right, then. So this video is for those who have downloaded IC Markets and they want to replicate the same levels, the M pivots and everything that is on the stream, that they can also have exactly the same on their charts. This is only in relation to those who have IC Markets downloaded. All right. So throughout the streams, I talk about Moscow. All right, and how Moscow is the broker's server. That's where their server is based. Okay, so if you have IC Markets now and it's showing you Helsinki up there, then your levels will not be the same as mine. All right, so this video is going to help you sort that problem out. So the first thing you do, go to a new chart, pull up a crypto coin. Now you can do this on every coin that you decide to use, but I'll show you shortly how to save the template and it's easy access for you. All right, so go to crypto and pull up Bitcoin, right click, go to template and pull up the PVSRA template, which is PVSRA V2 Black. All right, you're probably going to get this file download madness. Just press indicators, click news and press delete. Okay, then close it, press OK there. Now right click on the screen, go to indicators, go to access panel, edit. Once you've gone there, you're going to see these options. All right, now we need to make it so that Helsinki, if you can see right here, it says Helsinki B, because the template itself is programmed for Helsinki, but our broker is based in Moscow. All right, the server is based in Moscow, sorry. So we need to match it to the server so we get all the right pivot levels in line with what is being shown on the streams. So what you need to do is this. Under the click normal versus find server, this needs to be changed to false. All right. Once you've done that, change Helsinki to Moscow. Yeah. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down, and this is where you're going to see the broker time zones and what have you. All right. Now, go all the way down to Helsinki, change that value to 0. All right. And then go to Moscow, press 1. So that is changing the server from Helsinki to Moscow. All right. Make sure that it says false up here. Needs to say false, otherwise it won't work. Right? Now, wherever you are in the world, okay, it's going to attach the following. It's going to say local time, which is for me, and local Greenwich right there, +1. So if you are based in New York, the LG +1 or +5, whatever it is, will be there under New York. If you're in Frankfurt, the same story. All right. Or if you're in Hong Kong, it will say the same. You need it to say Moscow as the server. So now that you've done this, you've made sure that it says false. Moscow's written there. You've scrolled all the way down and you've got rid of Helsinki. All right. And you've highlighted Moscow right there. You press OK, press close, and then you close MT4. And then you start it up again. All right. Wait for that to start. Now, you've noticed that Moscow is there now and Helsinki isn't present. So we haven't finished yet. We now need to right click, go to indicators list, go to access panel, edit. Go up to click normal find server, double click, change that to true, and in a short second, you'll see a B appear next to Moscow. Press OK. B has appeared. Now your IC Markets account has now been successfully linked to the Moscow server, which means now when I'm on the streams, what levels I draw and when I give any levels and any M pivots, they are all going to be correct on your end. Now, it's a bit of a time-consuming exercise to actually do that all the time. So what you do, on the chart that you did this for, you right-click, Once you've got the the Moscow broker server B right there next to Moscow. You right click and then you go to template. Once you go to template, you press save template and then you name it server settings stream. Okay, just change it, name it to whatever you want. All right, press save and then that should be saved for you, so that then when you come to open a new chart and you go back to crypto, Bitcoin, right click, go to template, search for server settings stream, Moscow B should appear there and everything is set for you. All right. Any questions? Please don't ask. It should work. Mad love to all of you guys. Peace.